Built into Snap and Read is a double-click dictionary. In order to access the double-click dictionary, you first need to go up to your extension, go down to Options with the gear or the flower, and make sure that your dictionary double-click definition is toggled on. Once it's toggled on, it's ready to use. We'll go back over to our article, remove distractions, and we'll begin using it. All you need to do is come down into the article, double-click on a word, and it will give you a visual representation of what the word means as well as a definition. And by activating your read aloud tool, you can have this definition read aloud.
Usually herbivorous land turtles having clawed elephant-like limbs.
And you can stop it just the same by clicking down. So you'll notice anywhere you click down, you'll get a visual representation as well as a definition. And in the case where there's more than one definition, you'll notice a caret in the corner. This caret means that there are alternate or multiple definitions for this word. By clicking on this, you open up the alternate and various definitions, and you can decide which one fits the text that you are reading. You still get that visual representation as well as the definitions, and of course, you can read these aloud. By clicking down,
widely known
and your color overlay will work in here as well. So again, to activate your double-click dictionary from the options section, make sure you have double-click definition turned on, and then all you have to do is begin to double-click, get that visual representation and a definition of the word, and look out for those carets in the corner in case there's more than one definition for the word.